In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a quiz using the question pool. The question pool option enables you to draw 10 questions out of a pool of 15 questions or a certain number of questions out of a greater number of questions. And that way, a unique quiz is created each time. So to do this, from the course homepage, we're going to navigate to the quizzes tool through the grades tab. Now, I am going to assume at this point that we have created all of our questions in the question library using the sections tabs, because that's what we're going to do. All right, and I'm going to be using the vocabulary words from these first 4 sections to create a quiz. Okay, but I'm assuming that all of our questions and our sections have been made when we go to creating this. We're going to get out of this and go click the Done Editing Questions. We're going to click New Quiz. Okay, I'm going to call this Quiz 2 with Question Pool option. All right, we're going to click the Add Edit Questions, which is going to give us the add or import option. You might think that we're going to import questions, but actually what we're going to do is we're going to add questions. We're going to check this question pool option here. Okay. The easiest thing is to click Browse Question Library first, because what that does is it allows us to click the section. I'm going to click this one. I have 15 questions that are in this first section. Click Add. All right. And I'm going to name it simply Section 1. And I'm going to choose 5 questions from this 15 that I created. All right. And disregard the questions, they're Latin vocabulary. Click Save. So now we have one section with 5 questions being pulled out of 15. I'm going to click Add, and we're going to click the question pool again. So this is going to keep looping. Browse Question Library. Choose the next section that I would like to use. You can see there are 16 questions here. Click the Add button. And I'm going to do 5 again out of these 16. I'm going to name it Section 2. I'm going to click Save. Now we have 2 sections, 10 total questions, 5 from each. I'm going to do it 2 more times so we get this. Add, Question Pool, Browse Question Library, choose the section that we want. I've got the 3rd one here. I'm going to choose 5, and I'm going to call this Section 3. Click Save. Now we have 3 sections, 5 questions from each section, and then we're going to do 1 more, just for fun. Question Pool, Browse Question Library, choose the 4th one here. You see there's 21 questions here. Click Add. I'm going to choose 5 again. I'm going to name it Section 4. Click Save. Okay. All right. Now, what we have is we have a quiz that's going to have 20 points in it, or 20 questions in it, from a total of almost 70 questions. So each time a quiz is created, there's going to be a very unique set of questions that are going to be given in each of these sections. Virtually every quiz that's taken is going to be completely unique. All right, let's assume that we are done at this point. So we're going to go back to the settings. And we're going to see that we have random questions being drawn in these sections, sections 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go back up here. And I'm going to do 5 questions per page. Make sure to apply that. So that way, each section has its own page. I'm going to prevent students from moving backwards. Once they finish and go on to the next page, they cannot come back. I'm going to shuffle the questions even at this level. and then I'm going to click Save. Now, I'm going to assume that you're going to go on and click the restrictions, assessment, and submission views as you decide, but that is how you create the random selection of a question using the question pool option.